Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I would like to show you how we spend our weekends. One of the things we frequently do is mountain biking, and today I would like to take you into the woods.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear, but I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but by your spell, can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself.
Use a lot of brake. Left. Go. That's a drop. That's fine. Hey, that is fine, but if you go slowly, the bike will skid. You have to carry speed. Lado, idhar aa, dikhata hu. Go. Yeah, keep going. No, keep going. Brakes. Rear brakes. Yeah, that's fine. Keep going. It's not tough. Upar rak pedals. Haan. Great job.
Shandon. Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. Taking this, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that
ठीक है? जब भी downhill आता है, stay back. Don't go front.
you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Yeah. Keep going.
This boy is on fire. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. You're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. All the places. I hope it means that you'll come.
I hope you really enjoyed this video and you guys enjoy your weekend. We certainly did. See you next week. Bye bye.